Why are you looting, man?
No, I'm not looting. I'm just self-serving. Ramaphosa said we must take whatever we can take.
No, he didn't say that. He reprimanded everybody, saying that people should refrain from looting. Yeah, yesterday you didn't hear him.
No.
He said people should stop looting.
I got new plus money. I must fix it.
But it's wrong. Do you know that it's wrong to loot? It's wrong.
Yeah, look, there it going on.
How do you hope, or what's your plan in fixing unemployment?
The first issue that you need to do, South Africa must operate 27. What do I mean by that? I mean you must have people who work 8 hours during the day and during the night 8 hours. You'll be able to create employment.
The crime scene was mobile.
What do you mean mobile?
The incident was happening at the moving fast pace, Your Lordship.
But when you say it was mobile, it's something else.
What is mobile, Your Lordship?
Molweni bafethu, I hope everybody's doing great. Wherever you're watching this video from, it is Salute Lapho. Welcome back to your favorite channel. So sigqibile dala ukwenza throwback bafethu. I thought it's about time we do another TBT. So let's go.
Sure, Chief. Hey, do you stay here, bro?
I'm washing the cars.
You sleep here?
Sleep here. Shut up.
Is this place dangerous, man?
It's not fun.
Not for you.
Yeah.
But for
It's dangerous for other people. Yeah, it's too much dangerous. I'm connected with the para. I'm shocked when I see you here.
I'm connected.
Even that camera you can use it.
I'm connected with the paras.
Yeah.
They're gonna take. Let me go.
Okay.
Ungasho ka chef.
That is from the horse's mouth.
ahamba ke sinsibe sisoyika and bengavalwa mos ngokumuntu ngokuchazwa iba abantu bayasweleka phakathi bengavalwa aba ngaphakathi beqhutshwa ebosele
buthi nawe kudala ulapha mntasekhaya wena uzothini
nontombi lomncane
Legend.
nenye into otherwise kudala urhulumente esibophelana sihambe sibuthenga duru ngezi 700 rand ezihonje zethu. So xa buvuliwe ke namhlanje ndizixelela uba u5 o'clock ubetha ndilapha so kanti lo mqalo uzobuyela kundalashe.
You have never seen me, not even on paper, with a glass in my hand. Not even in a cup with a beer in my hand. But you always say sauces, and I always wonder, is it a tomato sauce or is it a mayonnaise? That sauce, that is busy.
Oh, I'm happy, party! Ufuna balabani lavi? Hey! Ufuna balabani namhlanje lavi? Wow, ngifuna ukuya kanti nomaphisi.
Wena indaba unga-understand ma wrong.
Echochingwe Sam George.
Check ingulaza. Kodwa ke uhulumeni akasicheck ukuthi asisebenzi. Sisedlulela kuthi hey nina bomahlalela naye imisebenzi ukuthi ahleli sihlolani. Sitestani.
Nyansile mfethu.
Testani. Hayi, sikhathele bo. Funa imisebenzi. Amaphilisi engculaza so wadla nani silambile singasebenzi. Asikhiphe imisebenzi hayi indaba abantu abacheck ingculaza. Fuseke uhulumeni wakho. Sibhedlela la. Hayi, khiphani
Hey, why do you need to steal food for your children?
Because our government does not give us our food right now, because there's no food just now. Sure, the title up.
Are you not scared right now? Because
No, not scared. No one gonna kill us. If you wanna kill, I'll show you why.
Sisi, you said you saw the incident yesterday when it happened. What exactly did you see?
What I see is that, okay,
the incident, I was there in the robot. I was coming to shopping to Boxer. Then I just bought two, whatever it is, Rosa, and it was a tragedy to me. Even now, I'm not okay, but I can speak. What I saw, before, the robots were closed for me to cross. Then I just stand there. Then it was a bomb or something that it was by, I don't know, it came from another way or whatever it is way. Okay, then it was just a bomb, boom, out of the way. Then after, I was so speechless. I stand and then everybody was running and running. Then when I saw it was a taxi bounce. Then after bouncing the taxi, I saw there was a mother who is selling the umbila nomroho, whatever it is. Then the taxi, that quantum, it broke. Huh?
I am not very fluent in English. Praat maar Afrikaans asseblief. Nou my volk, kom sê jy nie so nie. Nee, weet jy wat gebeur hier?
I-Afrikaners zifuna English. Zifuna i-Afrikaans everywhere they are. And as a compromise, uba ufuna uthetha Afrikaans nazo yeka. La mntwana lona ndimve ngothetha ngo-after, before in one sentence aqomba hayi akho ndizohamba right.
We are going to have many parties now. Breakfast, dinner, enjoy ourselves, put money, and enjoy. That is what I'm going to do.
My pretty friends trying to squeeze
Salangena labantu bayasi. Salangena 16 bamhlanje. Labona ikuzokile nje siyasikolo lapho zonyiwa. Mngani wami.
What is the crop science is this?
I don't know what is a crop science.
I don't know. Notice don't know. Tell me now once.
Angazi.
Lalela. Umqondo omningi ongagcina indawo.
Crop science.
Crop science is this?
Yeah, break. Jonga break sikaloku bendingamiselanga bani zisibani niyayiqonda phofu. Yempondini jonga breaks bendingamiselanga bani ndiyaphangela nam. Breaks phangelani ke. Phangelani breaks andizi. Phangelani andizi. Phangelani. Utheni ngo. Wandenza loo nto ngo. Abo makhuzu njani?
How could you have approved a contract you did not know?
Chair, I didn't think that this is a contract. I thought we were approving only the terms and conditions, not the whole contract. The whole contract would have the whole lot of
Miss Quinana.
The price and everything.
Miss Quinana.
And then the terms of conditions.
Miss Quinana, you are a chartered You are a chartered accountant. Imagine. You have said you have a...
Explain to us what has been happening and what are you calling for?
Sister Legay. Nisayikhumbula iplan yaBhizori ifinish engasoze yabona ifinish engashintshwa kushintshwa amakhoshini kuphela ifinish oyoshiyela izizukulwane nazo ushiyela izizukulwane zazo ifinish kaMqondo omkhulu uMqondo omningi wathi omunye anisho ubhemana uMabhiza ngoba abantu abacabanga ukuthi uMqondo nomali ungayicabanga lento.
We could go to the same shop and buy maheu, but the price will never be the same. And the chiefs are required to give the best quality of maheu. So we will go on and check again, box clever, be sensible, and still service our people. We have a huge responsibility.
The most famous Malume.
Wena bathi awuthenga utshwala abantu abaningi bayacomplaina
Buka leli thengo nkosikhona.
Karma lo sebambe rimathiri umbani nkosikhona.
Uzweli.
Nkosikhona umbani lo sebambe rimathiri.
abantu bayacomplaina ngalo.
Ngiyababa la ngibizwa khona.
Kade wafeba lo muntu kudala afeba man. Kudala afeba. Kudala afeba man. Ave feba manje kudala. Idla.
Ungasokolisa kwaThixo sinivota
Livota.
Jonga. Thetha noThixo. Uyabizimile pha. Hayi nina bazaziyo sunisokolisa bawo. Uba kuyiwa ngapha mina mandiyenga. NoSathana ndiyamxelela NoSathana ndimxelela. Yebawo uSathana uyakwazi umxelela bendikusebenzele utheka ndilapha ngenxa yakho. Angixelelwe ba. Ngobe ndikwatyela utywala. Abakuthixo kuThixo noba umfazi wami ubheka kwelaa cala i-waving itshile. Papa inkosikazi ndisezadilishana nale ndoda. Sizawubheka phi? Bawo. Hayi mna ndingaya kwaSathana. Hayi ndingaya mna. Anaze ndithandabuze ndimanje attention. Yazazi izono zakho ndithi ewe ba. Gweba ngokufanele. Uphuma ngapho emlilweni ndithi bawo andizokusokolisa. Emlilweni ndiSathana yenza ubutywala bukhona apha emaseleni. Sibheke. Okokusebenza kwethu emhlabeni besingayazi. Besingayazi basonile.
They ruined games, annoyed fans, and made on-pitch communication impossible. Let's pray this is one bit of culture that won't make it out of Africa. Yes, the Vuvuzela.
It just sounded like this big swarm of bees. Do you know what I mean? Just
the volume there.
What the is that?
That is the most annoying sound in the world.
It was as if in 1990, instead of the sound of Pavarotti and the beautiful tenor voice, the World Cup had been played out to Vespers revving up all the time.
I thought the Vuvuzela was an absolute assault on the ears, and this is from someone who comes from a country that produced the bagpipes.
Problem was that it took away the sort of natural soundtrack of a football game.
Love them or hate them, it will be the Vuvuzela that will be remembered from South Africa.
National soundtrack. Yeyethu national soundtrack leya. Yabhena mos ngoku ku World Cup. Vuvuzela. I hope you enjoyed today's video, Bafethu. And if you are seeing me for the first time, Kamlam Amani, the channel and bring you the best of local content. So if that is your thing, make sure that you do subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Sure.